How to write a story. 1. Read the outline till the clear picture comes out. 2. Give a title to the story. All letters should be capitalized. 3. Divide the plot into three parts: the beginning, the middle, and the end. 4. Make out some sentences or add some sentences to the outlines given. 5. Use the past form of the verbs. 6. Use dialogues to enliven the story. 7. In the verb list, the subject is given at the top. 8. Use the human pronouns I, you, he, she for animals in the fables. 9. Let the animals talk like men. 10. The fable should end with a moral.